the first one here, we're asked to solve the linear quadratic system by graphing. So I have to graph two different ones here. I'll do this in a couple different colors. So first one here, I can recognize just by the equation before graphing anything is that it's a quadratic. It's going to be a parabola or a U-shape. And a couple transformations that I recognize is that the vertex here have like an H and a K value, meaning I'm going to shift 2 units to the right and 4 units up. And so once I have those points plotted, I can just, choose a couple X values to the right of that. I'll go ahead and do this in a table here. So 2, 4 is my vertex, and then I'm going to choose 3 to plug in. So 3 minus 2 is just 1 squared is just 1. And then a negative in the front here times that is -1 plus 4 is just 3. We'll do another point here, or 2. So if I plug in 4 into the equation, 4 minus 2 is 2, squared is 4, -4 plus 4, which is 0. And then I'll do one more point here at 5. If I plug in 5, 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 squared is 9. 9 times -1 is -9, plus 4 is -5. And again, I'm not writing all this down just due to time and space, but basically I'm just taking these X values and plugging them in to find the Y values. And so I have these 3 points here, 5, -5, and then because it's a parabola and I know the vertex, I can just kind of copy those points over to the other side because I know it is symmetrical, and then connect all those with a parabola. And it's pointing down. We kind of knew that was going to happen because our A value is negative. Second one is just a y equals -5. It's just a horizontal line at -5. Let's see if I can do this. Draw it at just -5. There. And then I can see the 2 spots where it crosses here are at the x values of -1 and 5. And if I'm looking for a solution to a system, I want the actual coordinates, right? So it should be -1, -5, and +5, -5. And that is my solutions, or my X values and my Y values. So I want the answers usually as coordinates. It would also be okay, I guess, to write X and Y, but we like it as coordinates just to make sure that we know that this X value matches up with this Y value.